46 is your vaccine team, and tonight another COVID vaccine maker is promoting good news in the battle against the virus. Johnson & Johnson says new studies confirm its single-shot vaccine provides strong protection against serious illness and death. The company also saying it's developing a booster shot. This comes just a day after Pfizer announced its own success with the vaccine in children between the ages of 5 and 11. Many pediatricians are excited about the news, but say we still need to keep realistic expectations on when it'll be available. CBS 46's Jamie Kennedy spoke with pediatricians today. Jamie is live tonight. So what did doctors tell you?
Well, good afternoon there, Tracy. Pediatricians are telling me they are very excited about this news and say kids 5 to 11 really do need this vaccine. But unfortunately, in the next couple of weeks, won't be able to use a vaccine site like this one. Parents also questioning the effectiveness of this trial.
News we've been waiting for and hoping for. Over the course of the pandemic, over 5.5 million children have been infected by COVID.
Pediatricians across the metro are talking about the exciting news released by Pfizer. Trials of the COVID vaccine were successful among kids aged 5 to 11.
Definitely been a hot topic. We've been kind of talking about it for a while and anticipating seeing how the studies were going. I think we are all excited.
Parents online shared in the joy while also asking about the numbers in the trial, which were far less than those in the adult trials. Experts saying it comes down to children being less likely to catch COVID, which is needed for the tests.
They took a very large group of people, 42,000 people in the Pfizer study, right? And I believe it was half and half. Half got the placebo and half got the real vaccine. Now that would be difficult to do in children because they only had 2,300 children in the study. And if you're going to, even if they have a COVID rate in the community in children of 60 per 100,000, when you look at the numbers that way, you're like, well, not too many of them are going to catch COVID.
Pediatricians telling me, based on what Pfizer says, they look forward to FDA approval.
It is so important that we get that age group vaccinated. We are seeing outbreaks within schools.
The vaccine has been available to children over 12 for a while. Doctors say there is renewed interest.
There wasn't a lot of interest for several weeks, honestly. Since they went back to school and the cases surged back up, we've had more interest. Now more families are coming in to get their 12 and ups vaccinated.
Now, that little renewed interest there that we just heard from one of the pediatricians also possibly, they say, maybe why we are seeing a slight decline in cases. And coming up at the 6 o'clock hour, we'll hear more details about the timeline on when your 5 to 11-year-old might be able to get the vaccine and if it will be a happy Halloween. Live in Atlanta, Jamie Kennedy, CBS 46 News.